Today on Tinagirl Life, I'm going to show you how an average size elementary school of 450 kids collects over 2,000 pounds of food for the food bank before Christmas. I've worked in many schools over the years and have never seen anything like it, and the result is the same year after year. So throughout the weeks leading up to Christmas, our students embrace the spirit of giving in a unique and festive way inspired by the 12 days of Christmas. Each day is dedicated to collecting a specific food item. One grade 4 class is in charge of the entire endeavor. These girls are practicing their portion of the song for the announcement happening later today, reminding the entire school what the next food bank item will be. Every student in this class of 30 has a job to do in order to make this food drive successful. We have a set of singers for each day, and students are assigned classrooms that they visit each morning to pick up the food that has been brought in. We also have students that set up new tables each day, decorate signs, and organize the food into groups. In all, we collect over 10 tables of food, stretching all the way down our main hallway. At the end of our 12 days of Christmas food drive, the food gets boxed up and the students help load it into the truck to be delivered to our community food bank just in time for Christmas. Our average size school came together and made a huge impact in our community. The number of people accessing food banks in both Canada and the United States is staggering. There are some great needs out there, and this is just one way this school can help out with the needs in our community. Collecting food for the food bank doesn't need to happen just during the holidays. This model of collection could be used at any time of year. Thanks so much for watching Tinagirl Life today. I hope this video inspires your local school, office, or warehouse to dig deep and give.